So over 4 million visitors come to Estes Park every single year, and a lot of them stay in cabins with amazing outdoor spaces, like what you see here. I'm excited to introduce this property to you at 2238 Eagle Cliff Road here in Estes Park. Come on inside and take a look. Are you looking for a mountain escape that does more than just recharge your soul? Welcome to the Overlook, a restored 1936 cabin perched above Estes Park, backing directly to Rocky Mountain National Park. Fun and whimsical outdoor spaces, plus trees, wildlife, and wide open views. Inside, it's a cozy meets luxury vibe. Hand-hewn floors, heated tile, rainfall shower, soaking tub with a view, and a primary suite with its own fireplace and private patio. Outside, even better. A fenced yard, hot tub under a gazebo, fire pit, huge picnic table, outdoor bar, and plenty of space to explore, relax, and reconnect. And when they're not here, this fully licensed vacation rental brings in steady income. Adventure, peace, and potential, all in one place. The Overlook. Thank you for touring this fun and whimsical cabin with me today. Be sure to check out more details on my website at AlpineLegacy.com, or you can give me a call at 970-215-0759. Thanks again.